A lot of 2017-2019 model years Foresters struggle with the air conditioning system, and owners commonly believe that there is a recall for AC compressors that may just stop working due to manufacturing defects. Even though there are issues with the compressors in these cars, there has never been a proper recall. There is the TSB number 109820, which actually admits that certain serial numbers of the compressors are faulty, and this TSB recommends replacing the compressor kit. But the problem is that it's just the service bulletin that doesn't extend the warranty or offer free repairs. When the car was under warranty, this service bulletin helped dealerships find the problem and repair it faster. But now you will still have to pay for inspections and repairs. Given the prices in the dealerships are super high, you may consider going to a good independent repair shop and just show them this TSB to check the compressor. Just for comparison, there is a service program for the same model years of the Forester for the corroded AC condenser, the TSB number WRB21R, and here you can see that the dealership will check and replace the condenser free of charge if it fails under a certain range of serial numbers. So be careful with these recalls, service programs and TSBs in Subaru dealerships, because you may eventually lose a lot of money unless you understand what kind of program is applied to your car.